Hello, and welcome back. Today, we are talking about three very important words: quite, very, and really. What are these words? These words can intensify an adjective. Intensify? Intensify means that it makes them stronger, okay? For example, I can say I'm happy today, or I can say I'm really happy today, or I can say I'm really happy today. All right, I'll give you another example here. This snail is small. Everybody knows snails are small, okay? But what if a snail is even smaller than usual? We can say, this snail is quite small. Quite means the same as somewhat. Like, it's smaller than normal, so it's quite small. But if something is very small or really small, then we use those words, very and really. This snail is very small or really small. Both words have the same meaning, okay? So, quite small is smaller than normal or smaller than expected. Very or really small is surprisingly small. Like, wow, that's really small. All right, let's look at another example with the adjective fast. Okay, fast. Now, I have three different things that are fast. The first one is a person, a runner, a professional runner, maybe. The second one is a bicycle. And the last one is an airplane. Okay? So you could say the professional runner is fast. The bicycle can be quite fast. The airplane is really fast or very fast. All right? Hopefully you get the idea. Look at the next one. This is the adjective tall. These are three famous buildings. All right? If you don't know, the Burj Khalifa is the biggest or the tallest building in the world. Big Ben is tall, but the Petronas Towers are also quite tall. So, we could start our sentences this way. Now, why is this with are? Big Ben is, the Petronas Towers are. They are because it's two towers, okay? Two. So the Petronas Towers are, and the Burj Khalifa is. And now if we use full sentences using tall, quite, very, and really. Big Ben is tall. The Petronas Towers are quite tall. The Burj Khalifa is really tall, or very tall. All right. Now I'd like you to try, okay? Try with these three pictures. Now we have the red car, the blue car, and the black car. I'll give you some help. Look at this sentence. Can you try to fill in the rest of this? I'll give you 5 seconds. Okay, hopefully you said the red car is old, the blue car is quite old, but the black car is very old, or the black car is really old. Let's look at one last one here. This is for you. Look at the three pictures. Pay attention to elephants because it's two elephants. Give you 5 seconds, and then I'll give you a clue. Okay, here's a clue. All right, and hopefully you said the green iguana is big, The tiger is quite big. The elephants are very big or really big. Why is it the elephants are? Because there are 2 elephants here. All right. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please come back and check out some more of my videos. I will be updating regularly with more English lessons for you. All right. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.